Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the texture files are accessible. Open the shader editor and click each image texture node to inspect the file path. Broken links show as missing. Once found, relink using the file browser or switch to a correct relative path so Blender can find assets across machines. Make sure to pack important textures into the blend if you need portability. Finally, toggle auto refresh in the image and UV editors to force Blender to reload changed files from disk. Next, you examine the UVs and node network to ensure geometry maps correctly. In edit mode, confirm the active UV map is assigned and fits inside the 0,1 UV space. If not, unwrap or scale islands. Then verify each image texture node uses color for albedo and non-color for data maps like roughness or normal. Make sure mapping nodes, texture coordinates, and any mix nodes aren't overriding coordinates. Also check normals, flip or recalculate them if shading looks inverted. Finally, you validate textures by rendering and isolating problems. Render a quick frame in your target engine. Sometimes Eevee and cycles show different results, so switch to confirm. Reload images and clear any GPU caches from preferences to remove stale data. If textures remain incorrect, duplicate the object and assign a fresh material or a known good texture to determine whether the issue is material-specific. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, export a simple test mesh and import it into a new blend to rule out file corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.